Hello, welcome to Talented Developer. For latest update and notification, please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Hello guys, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to draw reverse pyramid. So in earlier video you have shown we have provided so many different kind of star pattern. So here again we will start with this first step. In first step we will draw just a normal 5 dot. So this can be achieved with the help of a normal for loop. Next, again we will see how to draw a this kind of pattern. Here you can see we are having two different structure. So for this two different structure we will try to achieve with two different for loop. One for loop for responsible for this yellow part and another one is responsible for this part. And again in third step we will try to cut out our this pattern. So this pattern we have already achieved in our earlier videos. You can go and watch. And after that you can achieve our this reverse pyramid. And one more thing, this all these codes you can found in our video description. So you can just go to the video description and you will found all the codes whatever I am teaching you. So let's go to the coding section and we'll start our coding part. So this was our old code. So what we can do, again we'll just come and we will remove our this thing. So here if you have noticed here the size is like 1 3 5 7 9. So it is increment like odd number. And one more thing, see here it is starting with like highest size 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so that means like we have to start our position from 5, then we'll go to the our in position like 1. So what we can do here, I position is starting from 5. Okay, and just change the size. And next one is here it have to be go for decrement. Okay, so just remove this one. Okay, now here we, if you currently use ln for next line, now what we can do, here we'll print our normal star. Next line we can use to draw for next line. So when you draw, okay, and after that just save and try to run. So when you run this program you will see currently we are just getting only one star because here size is what, see 5. So you have to also come and change according to your what is in position you want. So I given here 1. Now if you run and you will see you got here this 5 lines. Okay, so this one is for 1 2 3 4 5. That means 5 position is starting from, then it will draw here first line, then ln, then again size is decrement, that means 4, then 3, then 2, and maximum it will go till 1. So this step we have achieved. So in next step what we have to do, again we'll come here. Okay, and again we'll draw our nor one more for loop. Okay, here we will give size or a name as a int j. So j position will start from again 5. Okay, then what we can do, here we'll give j must be greater than I. I means like here first for loop. So this is a parent, this is a child for loop. Like inside that one. Next again j. So now what we can do here, we will come. Okay, here we will paste and here we will just split with different pattern. So now what will have happen, once if it's done, try to save this program and try to run. Once you will run, here you can see we got this kind of pattern. Okay, but according to our second step we have to get this kind of first pattern and another one is here. So let's go and try to achieve this step. So here two different struct sizes there, like one is this one and one is a star pattern. So what we can do, again we will come down. Okay, again we will create one more for loop. This for loop for one for a star and one for different pattern like ABC, whatever you need you can give. So for differentiate between two structure I have given here this two difference. So what we can do, again come here and here we'll start from int. Okay, then k equal to 1, okay, then k here currently I'm given equal to here I. Next is k will be increment. Okay, so if you start from point from 1 and you want to go for 2, 3, 4, 5, that means like you have to give position here plus plus. So now to the this part. So cut from here, okay, paste here, again cut from here and paste here. So what I have done, this is one for loop. So this one is responsible for line number, first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Now I have given one for loop. So this for loop will print this one and this for loop will print this star. So just save, okay, and now try to run this one. So once you will run, you can see here you got two different pattern, right? So this you are getting because due to this for loop, okay, and another one you are getting this due to this for loop. So now what we can do for our third step, we need only this star. So I will come here, I will just remove, I will give a space and save. So now you will run. So once you will run, you can see you got our this pattern. So now what is the next position? So in next position we have to achieve our pyramid, reverse pyramid. So if you notice in reverse pyramid, the size like odd number, right? So what we can do, say here, see starting position is 1, okay, then it will come like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what I will do for achieve this odd number, I will try to multiply with 2, okay. So I will come, I will remove here equal to, then so what will happen here? So first time if k position is 1, right? So I'll just put breakpoint here. So you will also see what actually going behind this one. So once you will run, then you can see this is console, right? So here I position is 5, right? 5 into 2 means 10. So starting position is 1, it will go till 9. So you can see here you got this pattern, okay. Now here 5 into 2 10, okay. So this here k position increases till 9, okay. Next, once if it is done, it came to the next line. So now what will happen again, here I position is 4. So 4 into 2, that means like 8, okay. So it will go from 1 to till 7. So you will see here 7, right? Next is I position is here 3, that is 3 into 2, that means like 6. So starting position is 1, ending position is till before 6. So you will achieve this one. Now if you come here again, here I position is still 2. So 2 into 2 4, that means like 1 to 3. So it will draw till 3, right? See 3. Now here position is 1, 1 into 2, that means 2. So it will go from 1 and less than 2. So it will just print only one star, okay. So this is the way to achieve this star pattern. So always try to do debug, and if you don't know how to use for loop and how to draw this kind of pattern, so for loop you can go and watch our earlier tutorial. So if you go to your right side top corner, even playlist will come, and for earlier videos please go our previous videos. So thanks guys, please subscribe and share our video.